Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afra, and today's video is about making your own hand sanitizer at home. As you know, all the hand sanitizers ran out at the store. So now I'm going to be showing you how to make your own hand sanitizer at home with only 2 ingredients. The first thing you'll be needing is isopropyl alcohol, or you may know it as rubbing alcohol. Make sure the alcohol is 70% or higher for it to work effectively. You can find it at most pharmacies or stores like Walmart, Giant, etc. The second thing you'll be needing is aloe vera gel. You can find the aloe vera gel at most cosmetic stores like Sephora or Ultra. You can also find them at stores like Walmart, Giant, etc. Also, if you have an aloe vera plant at home, you can just get it from the aloe vera plant. The aloe vera gel doesn't kill any bacteria or viruses, but the part that aloe vera gel does help, it keeps your hands moisturized. Because the alcohol may make your skin a bit dry, and yeah. To make the hand sanitizer, you will need 2 scoops of alcohol and 1 scoop of aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel is half of the alcohol amount you use. Now you need to mix up the 2 substances. It's sometimes hard to use a spoon to mix up the mixture, so if you want, you can just put the mixture in a bottle or any container with a lid and shake it up real well. Now you have your hand sanitizer. After putting it in a bottle, you can bring it anywhere you go if it's in a small container, but now you have hand sanitizer at home. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope this is useful to you, and have a great day. Bye!